Hey there! Struggling with your Warzone headshots because of pesky high ping? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that annoying high ping problem step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Alright, let's start with the basics. First things first, check your internet speed and latency. Head over to speedtest.net using your favorite browser. Once the website loads up, hit that go button. The website will then test your internet speed. It'll give you all the juicy details about your upload speed, download speed, and of course, latency or ping. If the ping is sky high, give your router a restart and disconnect any other devices hogging the network. After that, recheck using the same website. If the ping is still misbehaving, it's time to call up your internet service provider for some assistance. Solution 2. If you're still battling high ping in Warzone despite all of that, it's time to optimize your DNS server. Fire up the command prompt. If you can't spot it, just type CMD in the search bar and hit enter. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8888 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of your DNS server. Once you've figured out which DNS server performs the best, head to settings and click on network and internet. Click on Ethernet. Scroll down a bit and hit the edit button next to DNS server assignment. Choose manual from here and make sure IPv4 is turned on. Now, pop in the preferred DNS server with the lowest ping. Then move on to the alternate DNS. If you're using 1111 DNS server, type 1001. If it's 8888, then type 8844. Finally, hit save and you're good to go. Now you should be able to enjoy Warzone with the smoothest ping possible from your network. And there you have it, folks. That's how you tackle the high ping issue in Call of Duty Warzone. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.